Alright guys, good morning. Gonna run this for Zachary. He's got the Wisconsin Herd bobblehead here that they just gave away. We are gonna go live. We are live. 7:38 a.m. February 25th. February 25th, 7:38. Gonna grab the list. 10 spots at 4. Drop a list into random. 10 entries. Michael Decker on the bottom and the top. We are going to roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. And we have an 8. We're going 8 times. Good luck. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times. Dice shows an 8. Next click wins. Good luck. And 8. Congrats. Spot number 1. Michael Decker. You are the winner. Get in touch with Zach and get your bobblehead. We are done. 7:39 a.m. We'll go back. We will type done. We are done. 7:39 a.m. 7:39 a.m. Verification code and timestamp.